Fastest way to get banned from Spirit Airlines?
What's happening, man?
What's up? You here for this?
What's going on?
They just put me and my kids on the plane with no explanation.
Who?
He keep picking out the fucking door and shutting it. So you go ask him himself, and then give me the explanation. I don't know. And me and my fucking daughter, it's her birthday.
Dude, why is he screaming? I mean, he's not doing anything, the officer. Just relax, dude.
My son and my other son right here, we got on the plane with no explanation to ask us to get on.
I'll talk to him, see what's going on, all right?
See what's going on. And I bring him the fuck out here, because I'm going to smack the shit out.
Let's have a seat for me.
No, I'm not having no seat. That's racist shit. I'm not having no seat.
Let's have a seat for me. I'm
not having a seat. You can go talk to him. I'll stand right here. I'm not having a seat.
How is have a seat racist? That doesn't make any sense at all.
Not at all. Myra, go sit down. Or sit down next to Myra. Or sit next to Brittany.
I feel bad for the kids.
Tell him to come outside. Whoever asks us to get on the plane, I want to know the reason.
Yep, I'll talk to him, man.
The craziest, this usually happens and you can tell they're like overtly drunk, but this just seems like his normal being, and that's terrible.
Now, I'm not having no seat.
All right, man. Well,
I'm not having no seat. It is what it is. I don't give a fuck on none of that shit. It is what it is. You look like you do your push-up. I fight good as shit, bro.
I'm not worried about fighting, man.
Hey, that's cool.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
This some racist shit, so it's gonna be a fight if this don't go my way. It's gonna be a real fight, so I hope y'all fight good as shit or shoot.
Okay, starting off with the
no
threat.
chance at all. Not one. So I hope y'all handle this shit, bro. Come over here and talk to him. Don't even come over here to me, so I'm telling you, you don't have no chance with me. Come talk. Come stand with him. Don't stand behind me or none of that shit. The nigga keep picking out the.
My man.
Get him, bro.
Hey.
Ask him why the f*** asked me to get off the plane.
I'm gonna need you back.
I feel like it's no wonder they took him off the plane. Is that what he's complaining about? Because yeah, they're obviously going to take you off the plane. You're being crazy, dude.
Yeah, racist. We're not doing that racist shit today. You not with that racist shit, you Max. You with me, bro. Get the f*** off me.
Yeah, you just can't.
Y'all not putting me in handcuffs, bro. If y'all want to talk, y'all talk. Not made for what? For what? For what? Back up. Bro, listen, you're doing too much. I tried to be cool. I tried to with my kids, bro. Bro, you doing a lot in front of my kids for what? For what, bro? For this white lady, bro?
For the white, bro, it's his job. He's a police officer.
I need you to back up, man, please.
Back up, brother. Get the kid. I ain't gonna do nothing to him. I'm let them. He went off this white lady shit, man. Don't know what the f going on. What you just tackled me for, bro? What did you tackle me for, bro? Let me up. I'm gonna get a hand up. Nope. No what? You're not getting up. Because of this white lady? Bro, you a cold whore, bro. You doing what this white lady say, bro?
No, stop.
Bro, are you doing what this white lady say to you, bro?
Listen, man, just calm down, man. Relax.
You can put me in handcuffs if you want. Don't. Why you listening to this white lady, bro? I'm not fighting you. Do you want to put me in handcuffs?
I'm about to.
Come on, put me in handcuffs. Bro, get this white off me, bro. I'll let you put me in handcuffs. Tell her to get off me and let you put me in handcuffs. Bro, what the f is wrong with you, bro? I didn't do nothing wrong. And you fighting me. We are
I told you I didn't want to fight you.
Man, shut the f up, bro. You wanted to do this. You wanted, come on. Hey, babe, get my.
Man, I really hope he's drunk or inebriated or something, because this is just sad. Like, he has no idea what's going on.
Babe, get my shoes.
Back up. Please back up.
My bitch.
Look, I'm trying to be nice. Back up.
Let her get my shoes. You the one that had this tackle me.
What did you do your shoes
For
for?
real. Because if I flip that off me, it's going to be a problem.
You can't
Now, if I flip you on top of her,
you.
you're going to look crazy.
You just said you want to go in cuffs, right?
I'll go in cuffs. It's not a problem. But get the f off me and let me go in cuffs. She on my leg. The shit hurt, bro. She on my leg.
That's right.
Hey, bitch. Get the f off my leg. I told you. Get off my leg, bro. Get off my leg.
Gotta stop resisting, man.
What am I resisting?
Gotta stop resisting.
So I gotta let y'all hurt me?
No, you need to stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
I'm not trying to hear you sitting here and fight with you, man.
Am I fighting with you?
Yes, sir, you are.
What I do to you? You got a camera on?
Fucking off, yes,
Do you have a camera on?
Yes,
I didn't touch it.
Bro, it never makes any sense to even talk to these people, because they're just so far gone in their own delusions that you can't reason with him. You can't explain to him that he needs to just chill out. Like, he won't understand that. It's crazy. You need to, like, physically apprehend them, and that's so sad.
old ass, girl. I elbow the shit out you in your mouth and you gonna be mad. Over here.
Coming my way. My way.
Look at him.
My way.
He about to come over here and kick me.
Go.
Your way.
Yeah, now they're gonna put him in like the really dramatic cuffs and like the spit thing and everything. He's gonna be doing way too much.
What are y'all doing?
No, stop.
What are y'all what?
Let's go.
It's cool. It's cool. I'm not saying nothing.
No, I don't care.
Get your hand behind your back, okay? I got one, so leave it there. So,
Yeah, dude, you're putting your wife through that and your kids through that at the same time. Like, he didn't even seem to realize. And you guys probably missed a flight. Obviously, you were supposed to go somewhere.
and then, Sarge, leave your hand here.
What happened?
I tighten the handcuff. I tighten the handcuff. I tighten the right. I tighten. I ain't say tighten the right.
Sir, you have lost your rights right now.
Lost my rights to do anything. You go that way.
He's gonna go off
I don't
on
have
that.
no
You shouldn't
rights.
have said that.
I don't have any rights.
Not right now.
Here we go.
No rights, bro.
All right, we're gonna sit you up.
You gonna sit who up? He holding my ankle. How you gonna sit me up?
When you ready to go up?
Yeah, we ready.
How? You holding my ankle
Watch out here.
and pulling my pants, you bitch. What the f you looking at me crazy for? You're a whore.
Let's go.
Yeah, I ain't come for I'll slap the shit out you, bro.
Of course you would.
And you know it. I record this shit. Record.
Dude, why would anyone want to have kids with this guy? I mean, that's the part that's blowing my mind. I mean, I hope they're not his kids.
What this hands on me. Hands on me.
He's got it.
Man, get your hands on me, bro.
Take him out. Where we go?
Record this. 10:33.
Yeah.
Record
And
this.
that took forever to get him. Oh, that wasn't even that long, really. I mean, it was probably cut up, but man.
Okay, so what happened other than what we got?
Okay, so I run airport operations for Spirit. I was downstairs on our 1 through 29 gates. I get up there, talk to the captain. They say, yeah, him,
Papa.
approach him, say, hey, you can go off the voluntary way now, or OPD will be called.
Okay.
And he said, I don't want any law enforcement trouble. Gets up halfway through the jet bridge. He starts spitting in my face.
So he was on the flight.
Correct.
Okay.
Calling me racist, and I get out here. He's telling me he's gonna slap the shit out of me. He starts picking up these things and trying to hit me with them, and keeps playing chicken with me around this this thing.
Did he actually spit on
Yeah,
you?
he spit on my face.
So there was actually spit on your face.
Yes.
Okay.
Get both your hands on me, bro. I got
What does that confirm for you? Does it matter that there was actually like DNA on his face? Or why were you like trying to get a confirmation?
handcuffs. If y'all don't do what I ask, bro, I'm not walking. I'm gonna start spitting in y'all face. Just walk. No, you're not.
Yeah, I told you. They're gonna put the spit hood on him.
God, you, bro. Get your elbow off my back, bro. Okay. All y'all had to do is what I asked y'all to do. Why the fuck y'all walking with y'all elbows in the back of my neck? Y'all is elbowing in the back of my neck, bro.
You're gonna bring you up to your knees.
What are y'all doing?
Sit up, sit up, sit up.
Bring you up to your knees.
I mean, at a certain point, you just gotta get tired, right? I feel like you can't just keep up fighting like this.
To do what?
All right, man, bring your leg in for me.
Walk.
Do you want to press charges? He's going to jail regardless.
I don't want to press charges. I think he's drunk. I think he made a mistake. And I just want them to
Okay,
know.
so he's just battered at least 4 of us a few times. So
And I'm the
he's
only
got
one
felony charges on us.
Are you saying even if I don't press charges, he's still going to have felony charges?
Yes.
Okay, then yeah, don't worry about whatever misdemeanor or whatever be spitting on my face. Yeah.
Oh, well, here's the thing. Now it's just all on us.
Okay, sure.
No. I'm just... I get it.
This lady has no idea what she's talking about. This is, I feel like every time she speaks, it's messy. Everyone's confused. She's like leading like 6 people here to look, to not understand what she's saying in any
But
kind of
this is
way.
the thing we run into. Come out here, we get into this fight, and now everything's our liability, which is fine.
Sure. No, let's
Which is
do it.
fine.
Sure, I'm fine with it.
No big deal.
Okay.
It just makes a stronger case. If,
Okay, sure, that's fine.
Are you willing to write a statement?
Sure, whatever. I need.
Okay.
Oh, so okay, you're trying to like coerce a statement out of them after they've said that they didn't want to do that. This is like the 3rd time that we've seen that in a row now. That's crazy. They just trying to get answers out of them even after they've answered the question. It's not an answer they want. So they're just going to keep asking you different questions so that you say too much. I mean, that's what they always want you to do. That's why you don't say anything, even if you're innocent and stuff. Just keep it to yourself. the only thing they would be interested in is getting you in trouble. So now this guy's going to be writing a statement, pressing charges on this guy that he didn't even say he wanted to do that. He said it was a drunken mistake and he understands.
Y'all gotta handcuff me and walk me somewhere to tell me why y'all handcuffing me and walking me somewhere. That's the way the United States goes.
Do you know about how long it'll keep them?
All depends on how busy they are tonight, and unfortunately, he has felony charges now because.
I mean, I feel like it's bad parenting to be at the airport. Both parents are drunk, like completely hammered. Like she even looks like she's just recovering off being way too drunk and almost falling asleep. Like bad parenting move at the airport? I think so. Wait till you get on the plane, at least, to drink, because it's going to take a minute to get there.
Because he battered several police officers while this was going on, to include myself. He's lucky he didn't get sprayed, because that was the next thing coming off my belt. Okay? I thought about the taser. Alright, so he's lucky tonight, honestly. He needs to drink something else other than what he drank today. If he's not normally like this, he needs to change his drink.
You can go be a security guard for $60,000 in DC, bro. Instead of sucking in Florida for $45,000.
Yeah, you go first.
What? Is that what he's doing? Is that his occupation?
You sucking ass.
Oh, okay. Well, you know the rate. You know the price he's going to be
I
paying.
ain't do nothing, nigga. Nah. Turn around, go. Y'all gonna do that the first time. Disney tickets, bro.
I'm moving, man.
Come on, man.
Bro, stop moving.
Put your foot down. Put your foot down.
He put my foot up.
No, I touched it. You picked it up.
You picked it up. I picked it up for you.
Don't do that.
All right, so what you want me to do?
Just stay still. Turn around.
Oh man, this guy's so stupid. What are they going to do? I mean, are you just searching him?
Hey, it's Disney tickets in my fucking pants. I just took my kids to Disney.
Bro, I'm talking to you like a man.
You're not talking to me like a man.
Oh, so they're not even going to get home now. They have to get another flight. The kids and the wife.
You took me off. You just hey, for y'all put me on the ground in front of my kids for no reason, bro. Tell me what the I did wrong. Tell
I'm
me.
doing it right now, man.
You keep yelling.
What? Ask me what I did wrong.
Bro, sit down.
Oh my God, bro. Come on, sit me
Screaming
down.
for an hour.
I'll take it. I'll take it. That's what I'm doing wrong, sitting down. Come on. Come on, bro. Stop being so strong.
So what?
Stop being strong.
I'm not trying to be strong, bro. I haven't disrespected you at all.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Y'all slammed me on the
I
ground
didn't slam
in front of my kids, bro.
No.
What am I gonna do with handcuffs?
I feel like they should just be having tasers all the time to just tase them. Like, no? I don't know. I feel like that's a lot, but I mean, it would make this all go faster. That's what we need to do. This is taking forever and we're getting nowhere.
I don't want these. Bro, get off. Bro, get off.
Let's scoot this table.
Yeah. Just let me sit back. Y'all gonna let me
know?
Nope.
So what are you supposed to do, bro?
That
Sit down.
right there.
Who, to do what?
Just stay seated.
I'm not calming down. I swear to God, I'm not calming down. Y'all just slammed me in front of my fucking kids.
Sit down. Sit down.
Why was I'm not asking you why was police called? I was sitting in a plane
Right in the
with my
throat.
daughter next to me. Why was police called, bro? What did I do, bro?
Him answering the questions is not going to do anything for you.
didn't say nothing to nobody. I didn't
The
touch.
airlines call? Didn't the airlines call? Yeah, the airlines call. Okay.
And said what?
The airline.
And said what?
You being disruptive.
What did I do that was disruptive? Is it cameras on it?
Yeah, there's cameras over there.
What? Please, I bet.
Sit down.
Yeah, they're all
No
wearing
problem. It's a
cameras.
lawsuit.
There's
Is cameras on the plane? Get it lost. Get the cameras. That's the only place my ID should be. So if y'all slam me down, my ID lost, then y'all lost my ID. And that's fucking crazy. Y'all done slammed me down in front of my daughter, lost my
Don't even
ID.
make sense.
For what reason? I'm suing this. Can I get a call from all y'all? I promise my God, my lawyer is going to fuck y'all over, bro.
Does
All right,
not
here's
have
the
a
issue.
lawyer.
He's still not
Well, he
happy,
actually
but he's
might.
not giving
He
us
probably does
his
this all
ID
the time.
information. If I don't get his correct ID, we're going to put him under a John Doe, and it's going to take 3 times as long to get him out of jail. Okay, because they have to figure out who he is.
So can I go talk to him?
No, you can't go talk to him, but I
Why?
can give you the
What?
information.
No.
If you can give me his information, I can relay it to the
So we can go talk to
person
him?
who's writing his charging affidavit.
I don't have it.
You don't know his name?
I know his name, but I
And his
don't.
birthday?
I don't have all his birthday.
That's okay. As long as I got a name and a birthday, I mean.
Can we go? Can I go talk to him?
No,
No.
he's already in a car and on his way to jail. If you don't want to
She's
give me the
just
information,
as
by all
usual.
means, we'll book him under John Doe and it'll take longer.
Can I go talk to him at least? Can I
No.
go talk to him?
Good.
Thank you.
She came back around.
Here's
I
something
love
that
it.
most people
I'm
don't
all
know.
about it.
Airports are
That was a fantastic ending. I didn't like her, but she arced out in the last like 5 seconds. That was phenomenal. Short one. Simplest way to make booze at home.